In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim your website using an HTML tag. We're going to walk through the exact clicks you need to make, what each screen means, and a few simple tips to keep everything smooth and error-free. The goal here is to connect your website to your account so the platform recognizes you as the site owner. Start by heading to the upper right corner of your dashboard and click on the drop-down. Depending on the interface, this might look like your profile photo, an avatar, or a small arrow. This menu is where your account and administrative options live, so it's the natural place to begin. From that menu, click on Settings. Settings is where ownership, security, and account level controls are managed. If you don't see it right away, expand any account or profile submenus. It's usually near the top level options. Inside Settings, find and click on Claimed Accounts. This section gathers anything you've formally linked or verified with your account. Sometimes it may be labeled something like connected sites or site ownership, but the purpose is the same. It's where you manage claims for websites. Next, click on Claim on Website. This is the action that starts the verification process. The platform will provide a unique identifier that proves you control the site you want to claim. You'll see an HTML tag appear. Go ahead and copy the HTML tag exactly as it's provided. This is typically a short meta tag or snippet generated specifically for your account. Don't edit or rename anything in it, and keep it somewhere safe for the next step in the process. This tag is how the system will verify that the site you enter truly belongs to you. After you've copied the tag, click on Continue. This moves you forward to the verification screen and lets the platform know you're ready to supply the site address that will be checked against your tag. Now, type the URL of the website you want to verify. Enter the full address exactly as it appears publicly. Use the correct protocol, such as HTTP or HTTPS, and make sure the domain and path are accurate. Consistency matters, because the platform will look for that unique tag when it checks the address you provide. That's the full flow. Open the dropdown in the upper right, go to Settings, open Claimed Accounts, choose Claim on Website, copy the HTML tag, click Continue, and type your website's URL. Take your time with each click, double check the spelling of your domain, and keep the tag safe and unchanged. Once you've done that, you'll be in a great position to complete verification and have your site officially recognized